Good afternoon, country people. Them with kind plenty for meet up una for this side. So for Equinox Story House, Sabi say today for Douala, be day na day where some people they be get for talk. Whether na wetin they get for talk, Sabi say that palava for inside Douala ye wey be concern Maurice Kamto, Yonder Black, even Jean-Michel Ninche and Akere Munam. It happen proper for place where be get for happen, but police people then say they come late where all arrangements it be already passed. Sabi say the whole place it be then only palava for police as well. There be one locked place it may know nothing it no pass. All the thing it happen fine. If all thing work fine, before Tori go finish this afternoon, we go turn back for talk that palava in the proper inside Tori for this afternoon. We go take una go to for Kumba for talk say wetin life it don't the turn come back for normal for that side. So for Kumba Sabi say after place it be quiet day for vote and for Monday people they don't start come out small market sef for Kumba it don't open. We go take una to we go for that side for Suza. Sabi say after Tori house it be knock palava for dirty and palava too for place for a check say it strong plenty die. It must always strong pass person. I say no matter how way person a check say a overstrong die if the ever can show say na he a strong pass that person. Na Ivo Mbunda for that side. So for Bambili Bamenda Norwest na he send we big part talk for this afternoon. At the turn back small time. Good afternoon, country people. Them as we talk, some Tori be get for pass for inside Douala here. But even as we plenty people they be check say no go pass. A Sabi say the people that say they be get sense. We go turn back for that Tori if all thing work fine before Tori finish this afternoon. First thing we learn for that side so for Kumba. When a Sabi say Kumba, life it don't turn back. I say life it don't turn back. After we place it be first she don't quiet for Monday. That one na one day. People then say they make their normal market and normal business. Now for tell we say waiting. After that day where people they be she done them for us. When all road it be quiet. When na crazy people they be work at them for road now they be get town. Now for tell we say the real people the way they get town just now they don't start on turn for inside Kumba. And for tell we say life it go back for Kumba small. I say even big market for Kumba it don't start waka. I say moto de waka Okada de waka inside Kumba it no dey like for Boyawe Okada people then just now they get for wait so the piece it turn back for that side for Boya before they go start waka. Market says it no dey quiet again. Now market that's what we meet up. May no be say Tori house it the only tongue na time we place it dry. We don't go back to for day for talk say Binet it don't turn back to normal for Kumba. We go left that palava inside country Sunday. So for inside the chapter for confusion for Norwest Southwest, plenty people the day where they be so hungry for chop. Barrister Agbobala Felix. He too, Wanasabi too, he be then one of the person where they be put out from Gata. Time where the palava be just start. He don't turn. It is also meet up with some of the people that way they so they be don't run. Now some of the people then that way they dey for their own place where they hide. Barrister Bala he go meet up them. He talk for them say make them no fear. Make all them they dey fine. He go for day, he go give them small mala. Then he talk say make no man no fear. Say small time they go turn back for side way they be get for be. So Barrister Bala be for some of the places where it dey so deep people. Now in that. Now some street in name quarter in name for that side for Kumba. People the way they carry dirty, they say they dey for by force holiday. Yes. Them say they dey for by force holiday for Sika that one. Dirty it don't full up the whole town for Kumba. All small side where one go, they don't heap some small dirty. Like the one so they level so for day. They want to where they put and two for corner here. All corner, small heap them for dirty. Then the big mommy own. Now the one where you see and so for Anglican Junction. They try for talk say waiting. Say people then where it dey so they begin for carry dirty then too they don't tire. Now dirty this for before Kumba market. Big market for Kumba. Kumba no the ever get the kind of dirty they so. When the kind of sick don't start enter for Kumba, Sabi say problem dey for day. and the company wey dey look out dirty for Douala na the same company dey for Kumba. Sometimes I be the show na say they be burn their motor. Whether na for Sika say they burn that one motor, na why that way motor no dey again for carry dirty, I no sabi. But people there for Kumba now so they dey cry, they dey beg. Governor delegate Victor Nkelengo say make he try for talk with that people them. Say the dirty dey kill them for inside house. Mosquito e don dey enter for house by that pikin, e give pikin them sick for no nothing. So they dey beg just now. Say make they try for see as well they go come move comot all that dirty there. Kumba no dey ever dirty so. As I be say when Nadine see Kumba dirty, say the surprise. Kumba no dey ever dirty. Boyatu no dey dirty. Limbe no dey dirty. Mona no spoil that name for Kumba. Make we hear some mami a talk for Ogalai, a microphone for that side for Kumba.
You know, they suffer the day when they come or they call them. I don't know how they call their name. They come, they bring the people here. They come the first months, they carry and they go down with the glass. Hey, na better thing they don't make Kumba clean. But one time in a sudden, they don't bring the come back for here. Now 2 or 3 months today where we suffer dirty for this environment. No, they need to come over. We don't mosquito don't surround all the environment here. We don't suffer mosquito. King is sleep for now only mosquito. Mommy mosquito every day we go now for preventive for Sika. We go take.
How would I try to do now?
Now the only solution we do and I say we make sure say we burn with the tea. Based on one brother Sam. Now they help we for burn this tea for here. Without the then we know for the leaf fine because the dirty we don't mount say we don't write for here say stop train deaths here before picking them stop for don't bring the tea for here now. So far now we don't suffer for here.
So tonight plan will do now.
We the plan say we wait till they come. Then when they come for can't carry the tea, we'll turn it down. Trash can upside down so that because we know one week dirty. We clean people. See me the time when you meet on me I be clean. I don't like for the sick dirty for my environment. They not a friend for person. This will be the live for this environment. Will not be getting.
Now Kumba that's they say when they go can't carry their dirty, they go turn that container so that people they no go throw dirty again. They go can't throw them for ground. I saw they turn the container, they go throw them for ground. Now who go so lost? Now you market for Susa. We enter for inside Susa market just now. After we will be go turn for inside Susa side. Same market dirty. Palmeo Bele Tititu he enter for market for talk say he no one see dirty again. So now so market people they all when they finish do dirty, they gather for one place, they heap them for one place. And so you see the dirty then so they turn up. Now dirty way turn up so for the mayor don't talk now say they don't spoil the name. So better say make it clean in market. That motor owner say and so that tricycle. Now way the turn now for carry dirty for inside market. After we Tori has a show Susan market say dirty day. So now so all market people them by force they must to heap their dirty for some one place. Evening time. Council motor na their own motor that no ask me who side motor they carry dirty day. They say that one don't spoil. So now did their own council motor that where go turn now a carry dirty. Now why that the talk people that the talk say you the only see our watching, see our watching. If we know for see our watching, they kind of thing for the pass, enough for pass. Now so people them for Susatu they go feel glad. Say they go get central, they carry them dirty inside market. Toilet too on this year. They say people they deny for pay 100 for go shit. So now why that way toilet no the open? So when people they talk say they no get toilets, how they go manage talk so? They say council work money they come for day all day. For one man for can pay 100 for piece or for shit, na trouble. So they prefer to make they go do their bush shitting and bush pissing. Now why that way they don't deny say they know they use toilet again. But Sabi say when you do better work, person for outside this year. And when he see and say no nothing correcting that, action must to happen. We return back for that one for Sika say now after Tiwo will talk for year. Now we may or T don't talk say
Susanna see small town where they develop. So with time the market go grow, I go dey fine. Because Susanna small town where it develop, so people they not really there for the market for really fix the market fine. When I feel bad that way, I just say the motor will be carried dirty, don't spoil it, you can't start carry the dirty.
2 years ago, we have one camp for this place where we stand so. Now the dirty be there plenty. They agree for pay 100. They abandon the toilet, they go them for bush. The person be the camp for day every day. So they don't close them. So
Very good. As we talk, better work in the make thing than two for happen in the better. So make on the say thank you for Equinox Story House for the better work to the do one time for the better work with the do. Now so for inside Suzam, now so we will open eye for people them for that side. After we complain, Palava place where they key beef. Now the place that it no change from Tiwo Bishonam. Now the place that way they so they key beef for that side so for Suzam. When Asabi say after we talk and after we make your SSPC it don't go meet up slaughter people them. It talk for them say waiting. It no one catch them the key beef again for that house. Yes. He say that one sick way they give for people them for outside. So he don't talk say he no one catch people them again the key beef careless. Wusai mayor don't talk say they get for the key beef just now. Now for Wusai, some small house where mayor be don't talk since. Say it they so make the people them they the key beef for inside. But they talk say the place where they left they say make the key beef ground it be there and it be me. See the kind thing where they throw for normal ground. Now the small place that where mayor be don't make and say make the key beef. But the people they throw it. They also can keep beef now for that empty place for ground. So you don't make an mayor don't talk say from today so as we are talk so any man will keep beef for that place. He go wear 1 foot trouser with he. Now inside the house that now for they just now they go fix that place. They be don't fair talk from that people they made they fix the place they deny. So now so they go first for fix that place so that anything will if it happen they go the keep beef for inside there. Now after we pass so they so think they now they must to change. Now for talk say some people they way they really look
market. And also they get to kill for abattoir. I see this small place where they don't make them. I tell them say why they never kill for inside it. They say the ground where they cement the place it mix with meat. So I think they come out for the place they kill for here. I said but me I don't like I don't think I feel inspect meat for the kind of place and then people they chop. So I asked them about mayor, wait till don't talk. They say mayor don't talk, say go fix them, but so today never fix them. No, I called them, which I say more organize so that we feel arrange a place, may they contribute to arrange a place so that they feel the kill for inside here. So when they arrange them, after they can't tell me say the place, they don't seal the place. Okay, I write Dio come for here. Dio asked me, I explain the same thing. And they say I write to the Dio, and then the Dio copy, as he tell me, copy the Dio, the mayor and the sous-prefet. So after that, some other time we don't organize, the thing done too much. At the struggle for somebody they clean this place and they do for clean and sometimes they need clean. And when they not clean and sanction them. Only like that until Dio can notice and say don't back. Cholera they outside and all that type of thing. How people they go to kill for the kind of place.
So, country people them now delegate that way concern for Palava for hygiene and Palava for beef killing for that side so for Suzam. Now so chapter for work we'll do we go turn back for talk this Palava for Doti for inside Bonaberry side. We did for that side for burial ground. As so we don't talk even yesterday, country people them. We go turn back for day for talk this chapter for Doti for side for burial ground. Now Kotobas he plays that way she done now in new house. Now cimetière when they call ben a place where they so it don't turn a dirty place. They say motor for dirty, they carry dirty for inside quarter, it can't hit mbu dede. People they can't drink jambu. You understand? People they can't drink jambu. It is smell, it enter their nose, they drink jambu. It is smell, it enter their nose, they mala. I say all thing day for day. So tell me, how man no go sick? How man no go sick? See mala for corner place where they throw dirty. Mbu, it there. People they can't jump. They come over there. When Kotobas go vex. Okay. I no go talk plenty. Mami tell we.
Which way the war really that day? Exactly. Don't carry the tea from bush. Then if they bring a right to town, and for play with people they consume away food, the day and chop, and not only food. That means say rice, say tomato, all that kind of things. Where human being able to take up. But surprise now it's
about big problem wahala for people them too for inside place where they call them say Mabanda on the people them sabi say roads it don't turn a palava for that side where it no day for themselves for waka enter waka comot no nothing no day. How many time mami go open road say me water comot? Even if mami go the open that water all time. water go total turn up for day. I say water e go so turn up for place where the turn up. Mami the truck go for open road say make water pass. But when small rain go fall, water go turn up for day. Now for Sika say waiting, the road e decrease. The road nowhere. I say the road nowhere. If I say make they can't fix that road. Now the only thing that will fit for talk. Mami e open or no open and we no go help no nothing. People they suffer for worker for this side. All man e the nyati na for corner. I say no man e no fit worker straight. Whether na tricycle e the worker na for corner. Whether na which kind of motor na for corner. The one so if he enter for inside that water. Yes. The one if he enter na for inside that water. But who side people they say they pass na for corner. Drug man where they carry mimbo. He go come. Who side if he nyati pass we no dey. Enter you for water my brother. Whether na waiting go catch you for your food no worry. Enter. See how Okada people then too they swim inside water. Now for Douala ude. No be na outside Douala. No be na for village. Na for central town for Douala. You understand? He then I say even the big road they say the pasture na pasture. The one so they do now waiting for day. Now for Jokan Chakada some people their house where they no respect commandia, they fix better road for day. We hear say they plan for fixer. I know sabi which time. But the people they say they talk say the road it don't tire them. The road it don't tire them. We go take una go for government primary school. Lower Mawo. See road where they go school first. Now for town I say the school go dey na for inside bush. You understand? Now road this way they go for school. When I see school. I the talk say Ngomna say get for CDT. He talk say no. Ambassador will go make block school for that people there. Now school this way picking the way they did the book where they sabia. See Calabot as way don't fall through it. See Calabot. This kind of school so picking feed the language son in the shine. Something he pass so piap he enter he buy picking he come out. They go decry. Pikino. For Sika say picking one learn book. See as way school day. Calabot. Now papa them they truly gather skin. Do cut and nail put the pikin there for inside school. We go talk say pikin the learn book which kind of condition. Better say papa God give all that pikin the hate. Where they can't learn book for they get all they pass now for this A. Then that school they like saying governor don't forget who say early then two they come up for Mao the day or for Limbe. Then two they no fit see and so they go and help the school. How 21st century school pikin they go they say so learn for some kind of work condition. Now, so people they don't show sorry heart, they come for that school, they can't dash on thing. Headmaster office SM na disgrace. Now headmaster offices. Headmaster no get air condition for office. Una see office for headmaster. Una see how? Office for headmaster na shame. Na shame. See office for headmaster. You feel say where headmaster go salute so he combi, where he get block air condition, he go talk say me he can salute you for you. See, when hot breeze he pass, he knock headmaster. When cold breeze he pass, he knock him master. Even something say one pass or under, he buy them master. See office. Now waiting be that. Oh, which kind of fresh air man are doing? Yeah? Fresh air, he touch it, hot air, he go touch it. Even something say he enter, he bite it, he come on go. You know fine. People they must to talk true. Say first time. Now some particular people they fear opposition. But now so fear they for all side. Fear don't change side. Say first time opposition go talk say, but now so fear don't change side. So he don't talk say he don't see why way. People go talk something, other people they go take and with the so war heart. But they don't talk say he no want to say make people they fight. He no want to say make people they fight. He no want to say make trouble enter for country. But na say make people they wait so they result a come out. But any man way don't talk say he don't win. He no be so get right for he no be na say no be get right. Law says if he don't talk say he do. Sabi say even Oga Nzonga e be dede. Some people then too for Cameroon Renaissance movement. They be dede for she done for chair for Maurice Kamto where they be talk say be get for Cam and even Akeremuna. But Sabi say this press conference before it won't happen. They take na nyati. Na him say they be don already Sabi say Ngomna go surely do something. So before Ngomna be wan enter for drive them, they be don already finish. Make we enter back for the one she don quiet.
effraction. Oui, c'est ça, c'est clair. Sans mandat. On a fait comme ça. On a fini notre réunion.
Oui, si vous avez fini, c'est ok donc.
Entrer par effraction dans ma maison et dire aux gens de filer les lieux. Sauf si vous allez vous-même chercher vos agents pour venir nous pousser dehors, y compris moi-même, le propriétaire de la maison. Merci.
Yes, so police e come wey press conference don already finish. Yes, it means say the people them too dey be dey calculate ngomna. As soon ngomna dey calculate them too dey calculate ngomna. Press conference finish before police wan come. Now to read that for this afternoon, country people them make we enter now so for Tori wey newspaper they get for talk am. Guidance post wey e dey for outside today, e tell we say wetin people that with the gun. They talk for SDF mayor for Kombo side say you shake a shoot. Now so as well they tell you say you shake a shoot, they carry enter for side wey no man e no sabi. Now so too Oga Kamto, e don talk say wetin. E go take Ngomna and e take National Tori House. E take and go for court for sika say they make big pom on top waiting on top say Transparency International e bring people them inside country for look out this chapter for vote. So for palava for vote, African Union e dey talk for all people them for Cameroon say waiting make no man e no hot, make the shidon quiet as way they get for make vote result for all person for Sabia. Other tori the day for inside the guidance post where you fit for read am where e dey for outside today. The post weekend assessment e dey for outside country people them waiting dey for inside the post weekend am come to e say waiting a party don talk say grant and go National Tori House all na talk big pom court I go carry on I go for day. Now so they detail with this time for inside the post weekender where e dey for outside. So for the post weekender, they tell we say waiting. Mayor for Kombo, Donatus Njong, some people they can't tifa. Now who they tiffy? Tori the day for inside the post weekender two way you fit enter for read way e dey for day. Now the one then that we'll see on this afternoon, we go enter for case for Palava. E be where na kaba the way the sabi say e don't disappear. Mami di talk Queen Elisa e country talk e di talk pidgin and na mami way e sabi for knack meta country talk fine. Mami e hate e turn up straight na mean say e no di kolo. So just now ma our grace e di beg any person where e don't see in mami make e call the tingni number them 675 475 757 678 476 117 680 272 300 or e bring am for Tori House for Equinox plenty dash e dey wait you. Madame Hourglass annonce la disparition de sa tante âgée de 65 ans, la nommée Anze Juliana Zama. Au moment de sa disparition, le jeudi 4 octobre 2018, dans la ville de Kumba, au sud-ouest du pays, maman Anze Juliana était vêtue d'une cabane avec une fuyard à la tête. Elle s'exprime en anglais, pidgin et en langue meta. Elle jouit parfaitement de toutes ses facultés mentales. Toute personne qui aurait des nouvelles de maman Anze Juliana Zama ou les bergers est prié de bien vouloir la finish story for this afternoon. One time una plenty for inside outside for the better thing. Sabi say day for sikasi una day for outside. Thank you plenty for outside them. All people there they put hand where they do am. We get the other photo. Okay. Make we take this photo away a day for day. Now another person too that way don't lose. They call in Marjolie Suzanne Fortune. Now they name that for the pikin. They talk say this so he don't he town or you dey keep the pikin. Make you try for bring it for Equinox Story House, or you take this tigny number them 675 124 767 694 422 294. They say plenty dash et the way to Monsieur Bang Roland annonce la disparition de sa petite fille âgée de 12 ans, la nommée Marjolie Suzanne Fortune. Man, I do official that photo. I saw the talk. Well, no get that photo, so people they decide they no go fit for understand to the talk. So the picky what the talk. Donc, Monsieur Bangrona annonce la disparition de sa petite fille âgée de 12 ans, la nommée Marjolie Suzanne Fortune, après sa sortie de classe pour la maison 6 au quartier Entrée B Village le lundi 8 octobre 2018. La petite Suzanne Fortune a effectué effectivement une autre sortie et n'est plus revenue jusqu'à ce jour. Elle s'exprime en français et en anglais. Monsieur Bang Roland prie toute personne qui le bergerait ou apprécie la petite Marjolie Suzanne Fortune de bien vouloir la conduire à la radio Equinox ou joindre le numéro suivant 675 124 767 694 922 294 contre une très forte récompense. So, now the last one that will come for this side, so called the people them. Now for they to finish story for this afternoon. We thank plenty of people the way they don't join hands for say make Tori waka fine. Sabi self say we go turn back for some time with other Tori them, and even one the way you know Sabi. On a hold on tight for outside.